Hello everyone, today we are going to see class 10 exercise 3.3 second sum first subdivision. So they have given you a word problem. We are going to find the solution through elimination method. So if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So and it becomes 1 by 2 if we add 1 to the denominator. Okay, so they're asking us to find the fraction. So we have to find the fraction. So from the question itself, we came to know that the numerator and denominator are unknown. So I can fix some variable to it. Let the numerator be x, let the denominator be y. So the fraction will be x by y, right? So the fraction is x by y. Okay, so first clue is nothing but we have to add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, so it reduces to 1. So this is our first equation. First I'll write the numerator and denominator. It is x by y. Okay, so if I add 1 to the numerator, so here I'm adding 1 to the numerator and then subtract 1 from the denominator. So I'm going to subtract 1 from the denominator. Okay, so the fraction reduces to 1. So the fraction becomes 1. Okay, so this is how you have to break each and every word. So after that, now we have to frame this in a equation form, so that I'm going to cross multiply here. So x plus 1 and then y minus 1. So x minus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 1. If this plus 1 goes here and this plus y shifts here. Okay, so x minus y is equal to minus 2 will be my first equation. Okay, and my next clue they have given here, it becomes 1 by 2. That is, a fraction becomes 1 by 2. So the fraction becomes 1 by 2 if we add 1 to the denominator. So first I'll write my fraction, which is x by y. Okay. So if we add 1 to the denominator, which is nothing but adding only 1. And the numerator, so they didn't give any information about the numerator, so it just simply states that it becomes 1 by 2 if we add 1 to the denominator. So this is our second equation. So now cross multiplying here, so 2x is equal to 1 into y plus 1, which is 2x y plus 1. So 2x minus y is equal to 1 will be my second equation now. Okay, so now I have to decide now I got the equations. So I'm going to solve this through elimination method. So first I'll write the equation. 2x minus y is equal to 1 is my first equation, and then x minus y is equal to minus 2 will be my second equation. Okay, so now first I have to choose which variable I'm going to eliminate. So here I'll take x variable. So for that the coefficients must be same. So that I'm going to multiply the second equation into 2. So I get 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Now this is my second equation. Okay, so now my coefficients are same here. So my coefficients are same here now. Okay, coefficients must be same and the signs must be different. Yes, so our first condition is satisfied. Now signs should be different. So now what I'm going to do is change the sign of the first equation. Okay, so here plus 2x. So here I'm going to write minus 2x. Minus y will become plus y. And then plus 1 will become minus 1. Clear? So now I'm going to cancel this. So here if I subtract it, I'll be getting minus y. And here 4 and 1 is minus 5. So here minus gets cancelled. So y is equal to 5. So I'm going to name this as 3. So substitute 3 in any one of the equation. I'll substitute in second equation. Okay. So x minus y is equal to minus 2. Here 2 equations are there. Okay. So you can substitute any one of the equation. Whatever the value you are getting here. So x minus 5 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 plus 5. So x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 is nothing but this is what? Numerator, and this is denominator. So our fraction will be what? So the required fraction is 3/5. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.